So here we have Hibiscus, 100% natural from Royal Herbs. I'm sure most of you know about hibiscus. So it has 25 bags, this pack, and there are several health benefits which you get to check online about hibiscus. This one is from Cairo, from Ottoman Cairo, Royal Herb. So this comes from Egypt. So about this, I would just tell you about a few health benefits that I read, because hibiscus is packed with antioxidants and it may help to lower blood pressure. It may help to lower your blood fat levels. It may boost your liver health, and it could promote weight loss. It could help fight bacteria, and some studies show that it contains compounds that may help in fighting or in preventing cancer. So this is the best thing about this is that it is flavorful and really easy to make. So we will just start making it. Let me show you how. So here we opened this envelope and we'll just add the bag in a cup. Okay, now we will add warm water. So here our water was just ready. Look at the color, the flavor. So I'm sure you can hear. This is optional, like if you want to add sugar, brown sugar, or like you can add any sugar that you like. So it can enhance the taste, but to acquire all the health benefits, it's better to have it without sugar. And then yeah, you can just cool it down. You can refrigerate it and enjoy this as your cold drink also. All right, so thank you for watching.